Good day everyone. We're here to present to you the AC to DC conversion. First, connect the three solar panels to the battery using the alligator clip. Then, check the DC of the battery using the tester. After checking, connect the inverter and check the AC of the inverter. After the testing, plug the three bulbs and use it as a load.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you an inversion of DC to AC with an RLC circuit. As you can see, we have here 3 solar panels, but each solar panel conducts an 8.2 amperes. It is connected in parallel, so the current will increase 3 times. It can now conduct an almost 25 amperes.
He is holding the negative output while this is the positive output of the solar panel. So, before that, we must take note about the polarities of our circuit to avoid accident.
But before we connect the solar panel to the battery, we need to connect first the inverter. And if we cannot, then we could connect them both at the same time to the battery.
Now that they are all connected, let's connect the plug to the bulb, then connect the plug in the socket to prove our circuit is working. Isa pa.
We are the students of Quezon City Polytechnic University, and we are taking a Bachelor of Electronics Engineering. And today, we will show you how to set up a solar power inverter. And the materials needed are solar panels, battery, wires with alligator clip, and 12 volts DC to 220 AC volts inverter, and a 220 LED light bulb as a load. And so let's start.
The first thing to do is to set up the materials needed, especially the solar panels in parallel connection, to add the output current of the panels. As soon as you're done setting up the materials, measure the output voltage of the solar panels. To charge the battery, connect the output of the solar panels in the battery. Be careful while doing it because it has a 25 ampere current. Connect the input of the inverter in the battery to have a 12 volts DC supply input. Measure the output voltage of the inverter and test it with a 220 volts AC LED bulb.
Hi, today we're going to show you how to set up the solar power DC to AC inverter. But first, let's talk about how it works. Solar panel collects solar energy, also called photovoltaic energy, and leaves it to generate DC electricity. This DC voltage will then charge up the battery, which will then power up the DC to AC power inverter. First step, connect the connecting wire on each pole of the solar panel using alligator clips. Next, connect the wires to the battery, creating a parallel connection between the battery and the solar panel. Make sure that the polarity is correct. Before we connect the inverter, check first the DC voltage of the battery using a multi-tester. Voltage must be at least greater than 11 volts. Desired output should be a little more than 100 volts. Once we get the desired DC voltage, connect the battery to the DC to AC power inverter. Then check the AC output of the inverter. Make sure that a multi-tester is in AC. Once we get the desired AC voltage, we can now connect the load to the inverter.
Hi, we the student from Quezon City Polytechnic University will show you the DC to AC inversion.
First, you need to turn
After connecting the alligator clips, test the DC of the solar panel by using the tester. After testing the solar panel, connect the solar panel to the battery with using the alligator clips. After connecting the solar panel to the battery, test the DC of the battery. After testing the battery, connect the inverter and test the AC of the inverter. After testing the inverter, connect the 3 bulbs and plug it to the inverter and use it as a load.
Good day to everyone, and today we are going to assemble a circuit which is the DC-AC conversion with the use of 3 solar panels which are connected in parallel, battery, inverter, and load, 3 bulbs which are connected in parallel, and wires which is number 14. And this is our circuit, from the solar panel to the battery and to the inverter and to the load. And so, let's get started. Safety reminders. Keep all work areas dry and clear of obstructions. Be careful in handling the solar panel because it emits high current when exposed to light. All equipment needed for the job should be inspected and verified to be in good working order before being brought to the work site. Check the installation before the installers leave and make sure everything looks neat and tidy, especially the wiring. In this parallel wiring system, the 3 solar panels, the current is additive and the voltage remains the same. The solar panels absorb the sunlight as a source of energy to generate electricity, and it is composed of solar cells, which are a device that converts photons from the sun into electricity. This effect is called photovoltaic effect. Solar panels to battery. The solar panels collect energy from the sun and produce DC current power. Then the battery will do its job, which is to store the current electrical energy. So here, we measure the DC voltage of the battery and it is 14.03 DC voltage. Battery to inverter. When the battery stores enough electrical energy, the inverter converts the DC power into AC power that will be used to supply the load. So here, we measure the AC voltage of the inverter and it is 199 AC voltage. Inverter to load. Electrical load is an electrical component or portion of a circuit that consumes electric power. We connect 3 bulbs in parallel and get a supply from the inverter.
Hi, my name is Kat and today we're going to discuss about the solar panel DC to AC conversion. What are the materials that we need? We will need solar panels, also a 12-volt battery, power inverter, alligator clips, wires, and also the multi-tester.
Let's do the procedure. We have 3 solar panels and we know that solar panels has photovoltaic cell that is capable in absorbing sunlight and convert it to electricity. Here is the stranded wire and alligator clip. I'll connect the black one labeled as negative, then connect the white one labeled as positive.
On the other end, let's connect it to the battery. Then, let's measure the voltage. We know that battery is responsible in providing power to electrical devices, and with the use of inverter, we can convert the direct current to alternating current. To check if we're successful with our experiment, let's connect the bulbs as our AC load. There, the light switch on. So how does it work? Solar panel charges the battery that can be used to power DC equipment. The store
These three solar panels are connected in parallel. It has an output voltage of 18 to 20 volts. Each positive terminals are connected with each other, and so with the negative terminals. In this part, we measure the output voltage of the solar panels using a digital DC voltmeter. The reading is about 18 to 19 volts. Then we measure the voltage when the battery is connected. It has a reading of 11 volts. Then we measure the AC output voltage when the inverter is connected. The reading is about 217 volts. These three lamps are connected in parallel and then plugged in into the output of the inverter. The result, all three lamps lighted up.
Hello guys! In this video, we will show how to assemble a simple DC to AC by using a solar panel, a battery, and an inverter. So, let's start! Connect the three solar panels in parallel connection. Then connect the positive terminal of the solar panel to the positive terminal of the battery. And connect the negative terminal of the solar panel to the negative terminal of the battery. Measure the stored voltage of the battery. Make sure that the voltage is 12 volts above. As you can see, the voltage is 14 volts. Connect the positive and negative terminal of the inverter to the positive and negative terminal of the battery. Set the VOM to AC. Then measure the output voltage of the inverter. As you can see, the voltage output is 198 volts AC. Connect the light bulbs in parallel connection. Then connect to the output of an inverter. This is a simple DC to AC circuit.
Good day everyone! We're here to present to you a circuit of inversion of DC supply to AC supply with the use of 3 solar panels, connecting wires, inverter, with 3 light bulbs as a load. So, this is what we are going to do.
First, connect the 3 solar panels to the battery using the alligator clip. After connecting the solar panel to the battery, test the battery's DC. After testing the DC of the battery, connect the inverter to the battery. Once the inverter was connected to the battery, test the AC of the battery. After testing the AC of the inverter, connect the 3 valves as a load.
Hi, good day. We're gonna show you how to set up the inversion of 12 DC volts to 220 AC volts using 3 solar panels and that are connected in parallel using the number 14 stranded wires.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you on how to convert DC to AC using 3 solar panels. First, we need to connect the alligator clip from the solar panels to the battery. Connecting the solar panel to the battery and inverter to the battery, and let's use the test the voltage of the battery. After testing the battery, now let's proceed to the inverter and test the AC of the inverter. After testing the inverter